Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Ariana Grande's Supernatural look on Dress to Impress. So there's this new pose called Break Free, and it looks like the kind of like, I don't know, single cover. I don't exactly know what it is, but let's kind of recreate it. For the outfit, I just use this from VIP. You can kind of substitute it with anything that you'd like. And I'm also going to use this top here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. And I'm just going to use this skirt. I know it's not as flowy, but I just wanted to make it look like this. I might change a few things, but I'm just going to put these heels on. I'm going to add this in the first toggle, add the like tattoo on it, and then I'm going to add earrings. I'll add the pearl ones. I think I might resize them just a little bit and just move them back. Okay. For the hair, oh my gosh, why is my mouse being weird? For the hair, I used this hair in no bangs toggle, and then this hair in messy bangs toggle, and then I just positioned the Y to 0.51, and we kind of need to use this messy hair, not messy, like this animated hair, this one, and we're going to use the more animated one, and we're going to make it look like it's kind of like facing the other way. So we will need to kind of rotate that a lot, and we need to scale it as well. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit here. Yeah, we need to face it like this way. Maybe rotate it up a little bit more. I hate how it's like not as like animated though. Kind of want it moving like this, and then you can just do the break free pose and kind of see if you need to kind of correct something, but I think this looks good. You can add more stuff, like you can make the dress more flowy if you'd like to, but that is simply it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.